Hi friends from Japan. Today we show you another nice BMW 5 Series 2008 year LCI version and M Sport package with sunroof, leather seats, adaptive headlights and nice 90-inch wheels. Also there is trunk spoiler, this is also option, and nice color, body color and dark blue leather. I will show you interior. Mileage is very low. You can see here mileage. I will show you now. You see? New type transmission, automatic air conditioner, black headliner, non-smoke car, and accident free with sunroof, glass sunroof. This rubber is in good condition, no need to replace, and for rear glass also is good condition. Let's see around the car. Oh, any rust, and there is not any big scratch, so dents. Thank you for your watching. Be always with us and we will share with you best cars from Japan. Thank you.